Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will look at how to hide or disable the annoying status bar on your FXdreema Forex robots. When you create and export your Forex robots, you do not want your customers to always be annoyed by this. It's also the quickest way people will know that you made your robot with FXdreema. So if you do not want people to know how and where you made your robot, you can just hide this bar. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Log into your FXdreema account and let's get into the video.
If you're patient and soon, it can all be worth it. All the searching, pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution.